Jacuzzi NW5582 Freestanding Tub Filler with Metal Lever Handle, Built-in Diverte, Brushed Nickel Jacuzzi Registered NW5582 Key Features, Elegant Freestanding Design Single Function Hand Shower with 59 Hose Brass Valve Bodies Jacuzzi Registered NW5582 Features, Tub Filler Body constructed of metal, handles constructed of zinc floor mount installation, mounts securely to floor and extends up to tub fixture includes hand shower, handy for rinsing down the tub or just rinsing off after a bath single function. Personal hand shower 59 nylon braided shower hose integrated hand shower mounting single lever handle ceramic disc cartridge covered under Jacuzzi's lifetime limited warranty. Please note that this product is not suitable for installation on concrete floors. Jacuzzi registered NW5582 specifications, height, 40-3/4, floor to top of faucet, spout height, 38, floor to spout outlet, spout reach, 8-5/8, faucet to spout outlet. About Jacuzzi registered changed the way people bathed with their invention of the whirlpool tub. With over 60 years in business, Jacuzzi registered manufactures all of its bathtubs and shower products here in the United States. For the leading manufacturer of whirlpool and spa bathtubs, Jacuzzi's bathtubs recreate a relaxing experience due to its array of features from illumination to massage jets. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.